Alexei Arkhipovich Leonov was a Soviet and Russian cosmonaut, Air Force Major General, writer, and artist. On 18 March 1965, he became the first person to conduct a spacewalk, exiting the capsule during the Voskhod 2 mission for 12 minutes and 9 seconds. He was also selected to be the first Soviet person to land on the moon, although the project was cancelled. In July 1975, Leonov commanded the Soyuz capsule in the Soyuz Apollo mission, which docked in space for 2 days with an American Apollo capsule. Leonov was born on 30 May 1934 in Listyanka, West Siberian Krai, Russian SFSR. His grandfather had been forced to relocate to Siberia for his role in the 1905 Russian Revolution. Alexei was the eighth of 9 surviving children born to Yevdokia Nisotnikova and Arkhip. His father was an electrician and miner. In 1936, his father was arrested and declared an enemy of the people. Leonov wrote in his autobiography, "He was not alone, many were being arrested. It was part of a conscientious drive by the authorities to eradicate anyone who showed too much independence or strength of character." Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.